Hello, hi, and welcome you all to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. And today we will be seeing how to prepare Godda maskat or Goa Apiti Egodsani maskat. This is a very simple dish and it is a 4 o'clock dish and you can prepare it very easily also. Then it is a tea time snack and a healthy and nutritious dish for children. Coming to the ingredients, you need 1 cup wheat flour, half cup jaggery grated, 2 to 3 tablespoons coconut gratings, 6 cardamoms, pinch of salt and oil or ghee for roasting. I would prefer that you use ghee for roasting rather than oil. But if you don't have ghee at home, you can even go for oil. So in a wide mouth mixing bowl, add wheat flour, salt, cardamom powder, coconut gratings, jaggery and salt. Add water little by little and knead to a semi-solid dough. Heat tawa on the stove. Place banana leaf. Now I have used banana leaf so that you get a good aroma for the dish. If you do not have one, you can make it directly on the tawa itself after smearing tawa with oil. Now smear the banana leaf with oil. Place the dough on it, spread it with wet hands to form a round shape like uttapam. Drop ghee or oil from the sides as well as on the top. Cover with another banana leaf and then cover it with the lid. Cook till done. You will see that the bottom side turns light brown in color. Now flip it over and cook this side too. Cook till done. Your Godda maskat is ready to be served. While serving, cut it into pieces of your desired shape. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.